EDO Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu condemned the attempt to yeye the office of the Deputy Governor, say not be just about himself, Philip Shaibu, but for the sake of the office wey they must preserve and respect. Oga Shaibu yarned this one for this year Auchi's Day celebration for the Palace of the Otaru of Auchi as he narrates how the State Government Liaison Officer for Abuja, Deacon Festus Osagbovu, no let am use official vehicles from Abuja to Auchi and con dey give am many excuse, say the instructions na from above. The matter shocked the traditional rulers and other Ogbonge people wey tanda for the Palace of the Otaru of Auchi as dem dey listen to Shaibu narrate the wahala wey im face for the hands of the liaison officer. For the end of im talk, Shaibu come beg the royal fathers and the guests to support im aspiration to be the next governor of Edo State as him assured the traditional rulers' place for im government.
God is the one that has power, and I hold on to his garment. And I passed through a lot of struggles, not by my might or by my power. It's by the grace of God. How you feel it is equal to feel it in the eyes of God, because God has made it so. And I want to thank everybody that have been instrumental to my growth. I want to thank all of you. Auchi Day is one day we all celebrate, and I've always been there. Today's one, I came in from Abuja to this occasion. And Your Highness, I want to just tell you what has happened. And I put a call to the office, that is Abuja Liaison Office, which is our Edo State Government Liaison Office. And I said, I'll be going to Auchi tomorrow for Auchi Day. I need you to prepare the vehicles that will take me by road. And the young man came, he was rejected. And I said, what is the problem? He said, I think if you have to go, only one car is available for you. He then called me and said, there's only one car available. It's not sure if you do not break down on the way. That's I beg, please, just I'll make an arrangement. Let's hire a vehicle if you are not using your wife's store. And I said, okay, no problem. How much? He said to hire an SUV is 250,000. I said, okay, go ahead and hire an SUV and bring my heroes. Then just send me a text later. So that even the fueling of the government own that will bring you, you have to fuel it by yourself. The office of the deputy governor of Edo State is not a deputy governor to Obaseki. Deputy governor of the entire Edo State. The office is being reduced. And these are the characters that come with the name of private sector to tell us we should be setting institutions. That by the grace of God, your son, Philip Shaibu, by the grace of God, is the next governor of Edo State. Because God has said it. Look at these people, look at them. They gave me this car. One couple of mine is not in it. Look at them. It will take a camera to pass through the eyes of the needle for Aswell without to be governor of Edo State. Now, as it's coming, the entire government vehicle, mega project and everything is coming with him. That's an appointee of government. What the government is doing is reducing Edo North. I am the eye of Edo North in government house. It's reducing the entire Edo North in government house for me. I know what I did. I was able to save life. I pledged 10 million, and I was able to redeem that 10 million to save somebody's life. Previous ones I've done many. And Your Highness, I want to thank you because each time we meet, you always make this statement, and you have always said it the way it is. I want to thank you. The last time we came, you were addressing some other person. Now look, see what this young man have done. See what he has done. And when you do that, agenda is what is ours. And Your Highness, I will continue to do those things that will give glory to God and promote the kingdom. I am an Auchi son because I'm an Otaru son. And to say, God bless our Royal Highness, God bless Auchi kingdom. It is time to give back to Philip Shaibu to be your son and governor of Edo State.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am. We need to take blame. From Isako, West Edo State, Ekata Ojesuli. TMC TV News.